Oh shit, 1, 2, yo. Yo, back up, nigga, back up, yo. The one in particular, bringing the funk and the flavor, the way that I rhyme. And I run the perimeter, speaking it funny, I'm beating them dumb and I'm taking their life. And I be the one to beat them in the game of Scrabble. Wonder why they thinking that I'm ever so nice. And I be the one to never get caught up in a scandal, cause you know the flow just so precise. And what I be doing impossible, I'm a abolish like all of them. When the button is pressed, I give it the throttle. And all of you, when I see the marvel, when it's sudden death, I be the one to give it all I got to run it up into a speed to anybody. Try to copy, get it smacking, and I'm ready for the battle. Any moment, any minute, I'm returning to a killer. Any second, I'm a snap it, I'ma get into a mood. And everybody better stay away and move, cause anybody getting caught up in the show. And then I hit him with a strike, and then bleeding on the floor. And then they gotta be aware that it was fucking with the flow. And any minute, I'm ready, spitting the heavy or the deadly. I'm jetting, and I'ma make it on the setting of fast flow. Sending a lyrical melody, giving it a felony. Fuckers, you telling me you better take your rap notes. I'm gonna give it some breath from all of my rhyming and codes. I'm gonna give it some rest, but I deliver my best. Time to let it be told. When I be spitting my best, I'm in an intricate zone. When I belittle your set, put in your middle to rest. You're not defying my flow.
Yo, long as I'm living, never be the end of the era. Came with the vendetta, we keeping it 80s. I'm tougher than leather, the ladies are loving me. Bigger and deeper like Peter the Piper. Been picking the pepper, I get it to give it a cervical injury. Kicking the walls when I lived in the uterus. Fetus from moving and doing this, doing this. Cooker, the butcher, vanilla, McGilla, gorilla, the villain, the criminal killer, and teller, the hunt with the gun, the menace to the public. A pummel, a puppet, political pundit, the better, the battle, the inability to meddle with the better in the heroin, the medicine, the venom.